Everyone, so today I'm going to teach you on how to create WeChat account. Sign up 2023. So let's begin. First, go ahead and install your WeChat. After going ahead and installing your WeChat, what you're going to do is wait until it installs. After installing it, you can go and create by clicking on log in if you already have, or sign up with mobile or with your Facebook. So if you go and log in with your mobile, go ahead and choose your country, your phone number, and your password. After that, go ahead and click your password, go to next, and you can see a privacy policy. Read them all and go to the next. Upload your um, phone numbers and go next, and there is a security verification. Go ahead and verify, and a code will be sent to the mobile you have entered, and wait for the code to come to your mobile. Write the code, click next, and yeah, you're ready to go. You can go ahead and add your friends and chat with your friends on WeChat. Thank you so much for watching.